Well, now you've got your email account through Yahoo, and you want to add a signature to the bottom of every message that you send. It's easy to do. I'm Chris Cook with Security Awareness Incorporated. I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go into your email account in Yahoo. You'll have to log in through the yahoo.com website. Go to your inbox and go to your mail options. Once you click on options, on the left-hand side, you'll see signature. Pretty easy. Click on signature, and it'll ask you, do not use a signature or show a signature on all outgoing messages. Once you're in there, you can type in what you want it to say, such as best regards, John Doe, maybe your phone number or some other information that you want to have in there. Once you, every time you create a message, that will be on the bottom of each message of your outgoing mail automatically. So put this in there, click on Save Your Changes at the top. And you're ready to go. Changes are saved. It's going to be on every message. I'm Chris Cook with Security Awareness Incorporated.